As a college, we were selected to establish one of 5 new decarbonisation academies across Sussex to support the development of skills in retrofitting and green energy installation, taking action today for a better tomorrow. Over the next 30 years, we must decarbonise over 27 million homes in the UK. That means reducing the amount of CO2 emitted from those properties. This unprecedented challenge will require the retraining of skilled trades and professionals to install domestic green energy solutions.
The new facilities for the training hub are here to train young people and people in industry in renewable technology and retrofit techniques for British housing. It was designed and built by members of the college and students at the college, and we look forward to continuing our delivery in 2023.
I think the facilities are really great. There's lots of variety, so we have training facilities for all sorts of different subjects. So we have heat pump training, solar training, and also we have wind training, which is around the back there. So I think it's great. There's a huge variety of lessons to be learned here.
The East Sussex College Training Hub was developed with funding from the Department of Education as part of an employer collaboration between OHM Energy Limited, Eastbourne Borough Council and the college. The purpose of this venture was to equip students with the skills necessary to be successful in today's rapidly changing green economy. The East Sussex College Training Hub has been fully equipped with the latest technologies and equipment to support green skills and net zero initiatives. From online courses for renewable energy systems to state-of-the-art materials and equipment that serve as building blocks for a low-carbon future. These resources are critical in helping students gain the skills they need to succeed in this field.
It provides a new place to learn, and it feels more involved than being sat in just a normal classroom. So in here, if we're learning about solar PV, for example, we have the physical item there that we can look at, get up close to, rather than just sitting and looking at it on the screen.
Over the next 30 years, we must decarbonise over 27 million homes in the UK. That means reducing the amount of CO2 emitted from those properties by installing insulation, building services and renewable energy systems at a scale and pace never seen before. This unprecedented challenge will require the retraining of skilled trades and professionals to install domestic green energy solutions and ensure that houses and commercial properties are sufficiently insulated to ensure these new technologies work effectively and efficiently. By providing an educated workforce with the skills needed to reach net zero targets, we can ensure that our planet has a better chance of achieving long-term climate resilience.